I have another Unpainted project here. This is a round table from Babette's Miniatures. I got it online, and it's quite a simple table. One solid piece of wood for the top there, and different sort of wood for the underneathy bits. So I'm going to do a bit of filling on some of the gaps. They're always a little bit gappy here and there, but I think this might actually work quite well stained. I like to get these to sort of see what they're like and see what the quality, and then I can decide if I want to get any more, put them anywhere else in any other houses. Anyway, I like this. Looks quite good. I am delighted with this little table that I've done for the sewing room. Let me just bring it forwards a bit and you can have a closer look. So it was a bare wood table, and I've just painted it with some white household emulsion, which I'm very pleased with, given it a little bit of a gold trim. And I've made a glass top with some acetate there and on the lower shelf. I've dressed it with a hat on a stand, made some gloves from the leather to go with the mannequin, and over there on her table is the paper pattern for the gloves. I actually have some pink gloves this colour, which is quite amazing really. I've made some threads here, and there is the paper pattern from the outfit on the mannequin. Really pleased. Not sure about that sewing table. It looks a bit low, but I will dress that and see how it looks. And what I have done is I've hooked up the light, because this is one that doesn't work. So I've just hooked it up out the way, and also it was hanging rather low. But anyway, you wouldn't know that it doesn't work normally. Really pleased with how that is coming on. Delighted.